Hi everyone, and we're gonna be doing the Rake review, okay? Alright guys. We're gonna be doing the Rake review, okay? Before we do that, let's say hi to Daisy. Hey Daisy. Hello. I haven't seen Daisy in a while. So here she is. So ready? Here we go. Here's the Rake review. See? Here's the Rake. See? We used to rake stuff. Yeah. See? That's the Rake review, okay? Alright guys. So, I'll put it by that, okay? Alright guys. Yeah. Alright y'all. Let's go in the garage. And we're gonna be talking about Florence Nightingale, okay? Alright guys. We're gonna be talking about Florence Nightingale, okay? Ready? Here are the images of Florence Nightingale. She was an English statistician, okay? Alright guys, here are the images of it. See? Here are the images of Status Nightingale, see? See that? Here are the images of it. Alright you guys, I'm doing a couple things right now, okay? Okay. Alright. Now, Florence Nightingale was an English social reformer, statistician, and the founder of modern nursing. She was born on May 12, 1820 in Florence, Italy. I can tell you that. She died on August 13, 1910 in Mayfair, London, United Kingdom. She was known for pioneering modern nursing and polar area diagram. Parents is William Nightingale and Frances Nightingale. Education is King's College London. And siblings are Francis, Hartnell, Bernie. Alright you guys, listen. Listen to this, guys. Give this video a thumbs up, like it, and a comment down below, okay? Please subscribe. Bye bye guys. See you real soon. Bye. See ya. Goodbye.